Hey guys, welcome to this amazing channel. So today I'm bringing you a different apartment review, and this time guess what I'm overlooking? I'm overlooking Karura Forest. Guys, that tells you I'm so much way higher than the trees. So that tells you that this apartment is very far, as in very tall. Yep. So yeah, let me take you around what we have here. So this apartment has amazing seats. This is the rooftop. So I'm showing you guys the rooftop. It has amazing seats. Look at the space. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So oh yeah, it has AstroTurf. So this is AstroTurf, very soft on your legs. And I'll show you what we have on the other side. But of interest is what we have here. So guys, see what we have here. A mini truck, some sitting area. And is this a game or what? This is more of a chess. So guys, those of you who knows something about chess, this is in the form of a chess. So I don't know whether you're supposed to move it. Actually, you're supposed to move it. So I don't know how. This is huge chess that you're supposed to move it around and play. Actually, this is rooftop. This is a rooftop. I'm just showing it's rooftop. And what else do we have here? Kids playground. We have kids playground. We have more sitting area. Guys, this place is really nice. So this is a mini truck on top of the roof. Is it on top of the roof or to rooftop? Or yeah. So this is Auckland apartment. So this is what they have upstairs, and the view is amazing from here. You see all other Westlands buildings from down. So that tells you that it's so much high. And look at the sitting area. Look at the amenities here, guys. Wow. But what jazzes me most, what like makes me happy most, is this chess, like floor chess. I don't know how you're supposed to play it, whether you move or you push. I'll ask one of the residents to show me how they do it here. But it's an amazing place to be. Yeah. So it's a walking track, playground, swimming pool, events hall, fitness center. They have a fitness center on the other side. So before I take you to the fitness center, let me take you to the swimming pool. So the swimming pool is also upstairs, and these are the swimming pool rules. So guys, lo and behold, and look and behold, a very nice swimming area. Look at that sitting area. The swimming pool is amazing. Can you imagine you swim overlooking Karura Forest? Yeah, being in touch with nature. Wow. Okay, so Auckland has 2 blocks, and this is one block. What you are seeing on the other side is a different block. So each block has different gym areas, different swimming areas, totally different. Because even like the chess game, the walking track, the kids playground, every block has like separate so many sitting areas, and yeah, you're just spoiled for choice. So another like AstroTurf. This is AstroTurf. So you can do your workout from here. You can chill up here. You can come and, not sleep, but doze up here and just enjoy nature. So this is what you get when you are resident here, and this represents some of the apartments Last time I did a review on an apartment in Riverside. So this is now a review on a rooftop apartment, Auckland, and overlooking Karura Forest. This is the view you have. So this is upstairs, this is rooftop. And they have all these. Most buildings don't have like a flat rooftop. They don't have so many activities, so many social amenities around the rooftop, but this one has swimming pool. I would love to swim there. So they have actually a yoga studio, which is different. Ready? I may not be the strongest, I may not be the fastest, but I'll be damned not trying my hardest, yeah. And this is my happy hour.
That is not happy hour.
I don't know, I'm sure it's not you who wrote that, eh?
And then this cannot be my happy
It does not stand like
Okay. I have just even started talking.
So we have some floors that are underground and some floors that are up. Yeah, like where I am, this is 9th floor. Yeah, which looks like a ground floor to most apartments. So this is a 9th floor. So meaning when they were building, they really made some apartments like go under. This is how outside looks. Tumemaliza, asante. Haya. So that is outside, and that's Auckland. Auckland. Amazing space we had here, guys. Yeah. So I'll find out how much an apartment goes for. Then I'll just write it on one of the videos, eh? So at least you guys can know if you want to live here, how much you are willing to be parting with. What's nearby? Called Millennium Global International School.